is wide. I want to make some memories.
Hi my beautiful stars, I hope that you're doing so well today. So as you saw in the introduction, I'm doing Heatless Young Donna from Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again curls. So this is my hair a couple hours out of the shower. You already know I talked about this in one of my other Heatless videos. I'll link it in the cards if I remember to. But I love doing Heatless hairstyles. I think it's so fun to figure out new things you can do with your hair that doesn't harm it. I'm going to use this oil, which is my favorite, and it's for all kinds of hair. It's by Avens, Divines, something like that. So we're just gonna roll with it, and I do the palm hands, so just do a couple small pumps and rub it together. And my hair is still a little wet, so I'm just gonna work that in. Okay, so all you're gonna need is a hair tie for this, and then you can go ahead and use oil, gel, or mousse, whatever you're up to, whatever you feel like using. And that's it for this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip over my head like this, and then you're gonna split it into two sections, and all you're gonna do is twist it. So it's like on the crown, or basically like on top of your head. And I have a little bit of layers, so they're kind of peeping out, but then you're just gonna twist it on the top of your head so you kind of look like it's a big top knot, or like maybe a unicorn, whatever you're feeling. And then just tie it down. If you have like a lot of hair, you can go ahead and use bobby pins for it, but yeah. And then I usually just pin my bangs back when I'm going to bed, but I'm just gonna let them do their crazy thing. I feel like I look like, Eric Matthews from Boy Meets World. I feel like I look like him right now, minus the bun. So we're living our best lives looking like Eric Matthews, so peace. I'm gonna go to bed while I'm watching Criminal Minds, but after that I'm gonna go to bed and I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Good morning everyone. Don't mind my messy bed, I'm so sorry, but this is what it looks like in the morning. So I'm just gonna gently take out the hair tie. I ended up using a different scrunchie because the other one wasn't holding it super well, but yeah, so just looks like this, and then just untwist it, and this is what it looks like. So I'll probably style my bangs a bit better, add some dry shampoo just to give some volume, but yeah, it's really easy, super fun, and you look like young Donna when you're done. I think this looks gorgeous in any hair color, and especially if you maybe have that like balayage kind of gig going on in your hair, that will look really cool with this. Yeah, what's nice about this Heatless hairstyle is it starts at the roots, so it looks a little bit more natural. It goes like all the way to the bottom, so I think it just kind of adds more texture to either already naturally wavy curly hair like mine, or it just gives you a little bit more oomph to naturally straight hair. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. It's so simple. I hope that you recreate it, and don't forget to follow me on my socials, and I'd love to see your recreations of this look. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.